Hi, here is a central incisor with an attachment bonded on the buccal surface, and the attachment has been beveled to reduce the stresses due to the interface between the aligner and the attachment, and we want to translate this tooth. Let's assume that's a left incisor distally. So this is the position that we wish to attain with an aligner, and then keep on going more and more towards a translation. And what happens is we have about a 0.2 to 0.3 millimeter difference. The attachment has been moved, and the way to be able to get to this position is to create an aligner. That is, would be a passive aligner, and that would be roughly the position of the aligner. So you can see that now this edge of the attachment has been moved, and it has been moved into a translation by the software. But the problem that you have also is when you look at the force system that we'll be applying on this attachment, most probably you will get a form of a rotation, the same as we get when we use fixed orthodontics, where you have first tipping. So then the first movement will be tipping. And then if we put the aligner back on, you can see that now we have some contacts, and now the attachment has been activated by the aligner material, which obviously should be as super elastic or elastic as possible to create the counter moment necessary to get an uprighting of the tooth and get the translation. So it's really important to understand the concept of moment and counter moment, and be very patient with the attachment material, because the first force, which is a simple force, will be expressing itself much faster than the counter moment, which will tend to bring the apex towards in the direction where we want the tooth to be and get a translation movement. So it's basically a very tight interaction between the attachment of the tooth, this one, and the aligner material, and you can see the deformation right here. Obviously there are some other contact points on the tooth, like here and maybe here, but you can see really that the attachment is responsible for the majority of the counter moment expressed by the aligner material, and that's important to remember. Thank you.